crispy. We use these. All right, welcome to YouTube land. So we're at the river, right? So this morning we're gonna catch some fish in the river. So Willie's up here digging bait. He's here digging bait. Yeah. And there's a mango tree right here. And I want some mangoes. You see, in Jamaica, we don't use stick. We don't use stick and we don't climb tree. We use these.
Hold up again.
Eh?
Hold up again.
The water's frigid. There we go.
Nice.
Nice number mango, you know?
Very sweet.
Sweet and nice. Watch out.
Oh,
Why? Alright, so the fish down here, what they eat are shrimp. Not sure if you can see those. So they eat those, the shrimp. Jump now. Yeah, they eat the shrimp. So we catch a shrimp in this green net.
Basket. Basket.
Bless you, my brother. Alright, go show them how we catch a shrimp. Alright.
Yeah, jump, Lee.
Yeah, see some them a jump here forward. Come and show them how we catch a shrimp. Come Willie. Right. So you see where that trash today? Remember say you go Willie, so up in out so. And then you scoop from the ground. Go on. Catch nothing?
Yeah.
Wait. You fat?
See my bug, look.
See one. I will hold him up close. There's one. See?
Yeah, whiskers doing.
Just like that. Fish love these bodies. This one is kind of bigger. This is the ideal size that we want to catch. Hold him out. Hold him out. We want to catch this size or even bigger. If we catch him bigger than this, that's even better, you know? Yeah. Alright. So, not only the mesh, we have the cast net as well. Come, take it up. Alright, we have the cast net. We're gonna throw it. This. But what I've learned is I put around this much and then I'm going. Alright, so we're on a spot right now. I forgot to hit record. My fishing line is in the water. Willie fishing line in the water. Here is him, hungry like a dog. We caught a few fish. Not sure if you can see. We catch a few fish. Yeah, not really big, but something, you know. Alright people, so this is what we catch for today. We caught some lovelies. Let me take him up for you real quick. Hey boy, stop squirming around, nigga. Sorry, I don't mean to say nigga. We caught this guy. Yeah, so we're gonna head home now. It's about to rain. It's not focused. Yeah, so it's about to rain and we cannot swim, so we're gonna head home. That was the catch for today. Yeah. Hey, the rain caught up on us. Woo! Hey, we're going home, baby! Woo!